Route 11 will take you from the New Hampshire border to Fort Kent, Maine, with a whole lot of turns, hills, and potholes in between. On one particularly straight section is the railroad town of Brownville Junction, Q. Willie Nelson's Railroad Lady. Brownville Junction belongs to the town of Brownville, but the two locations are about as similar as Montpelier, Vermont is to P-Town, Mass. They're not alike. The junction came to be in 1889. Hey, that's the year my grandfather was born in Wesleyville, Newfoundland. Anyways, I digress. It seems the Canadian Pacific Railroad wanted to build the International Railway of Maine as part of its Transcontinental Railroad, which importantly connected Montreal, Quebec with St. John, New Brunswick. In November of 1981, the same month Joe Engel and Rick Tooley became the first people to fly a used spacecraft, pause for a moment of silence, the last passenger train serving the junction pulled out of town. Times they are a-changin'. The village of Brownville Junction, formerly known as Henderson, remains a great destination for hunting, fishing, and leaf peeping in the fall. Route 11 is a blaze of glorious colors in the autumn. You want to swing through? This town also nestles right up to one of my favorite lakes, Schoodic Lake, and it also has Pleasant River flowing right through it. You want to come here and set your line in the water. Now, if you happen to find yourself coming down Route 11, hungry and looking for a place to eat, stop in to 75 Railroad Ave. That is north and southeast restaurant. Absolutely fabulous home-cooked food. You don't believe me? Get on Yelp and check out the reviews. Everybody loves to eat here. Now I want to thank you for watching this video and listening and taking a peek at Brownville Junction. Stop on by. Love to have you visit.